Hello, art teachers around the world. Today, I want to share a lesson for how to make a plaster pot inspired from Pablo Picasso ceramic. One of the reasons that I made this lesson plan is that I just recently visited Picasso's retrospective exhibition in Seoul, Korea. So, this can be inspirational resource that might help students and the teachers around the world, since many of us doing online class during pandemic crisis. I hope you like it. All you need is a chunk of clay and plaster, and that's it. Okay, let's start. First, you need to make clay in ball shape. And then make it flat, possibly 1 inch thick, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be exactly 1 inch. Anyway, once you're done flattening it, thin it in the edge of the clay, because that shape can help to make a final plate more dish-like shape. Now, it is still not perfect and round, so I trimmed the edge off to make the perfect circle. And don't throw leftover because you will need it to make the side wall of the clay mold. Now, you can wet the surface on the plate mold and start draw. I'm gonna draw this image. And as you can see, I'm using a pointed chopstick, but you can use any sticks that you have. And while you are drawing lines, you can also clean the surface like this. Yeah, just like this. Let's speed up. Now, I'm drawing eyebrows and nose. Since this project is about Picasso's cubistic style, I'm drawing a nose in side view.